Hello and welcome to another episode of Heidel House Cooking. Today we are going to make peanut butter squares. Alright, we are going to start off and we are going to add, we're going to melt, number one, melt the butter, peanut butter, and sugar. We need to find out how much we need. We need 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 cup of peanut butter, and it says
3 cups crushed, no, wait.
3/4 cup of butter. So 1/4 cup powdered sugar. Jillian, we needed to find out, we needed to get a measuring cup. And usually when you find out the right one, you look at, it's hard to see, but it does say 1/4.
Yeah.
And that's our 1/4. Here, move that down this way. And come on down here and we're gonna measure our first ingredients, okay?
Okay.
So we're gonna put 1/4 cup, you hold this. And we're going to try to scoop 1/4 cup out. Remember, right to the top edge. So it's nice.
Ooh, but I'm just
flat. So I've
Good
turned up
thing we're
right.
cleaning
Sometimes
after
I use the
this.
bag to flatten it up so I can measure exactly right to the top. Right.
Look at that.
Put it in this bowl.
Good thing we're gonna clean after this.
All right. Then we're going to use 1 cup of peanut butter. Again, this one says 1
Cup.
Well, it's a little further. Oh, Jilly, right here.
Okay.
Yeah. 1 cup. It's got a 1 on it for 1 cup. We're going to measure peanut butter. Now, a little trick. Peanut butter is sticky, so I'm going to put a little bit over here of cooking spray.
We
in
can
it,
put it.
and
We
that
put it on the oven.
And that,
I mean, like on the trays when we cook for the
yes,
oven.
it helps prevent sticking in our pans too. But it will help since peanut butter is so sticky, it'll help prevent the peanut butter from sticking in the cup. So you're gonna take some scoops, and we're just gonna press our peanut butter. Do you think our jar of peanut butter is big enough?
Yeah.
We had to be prepared. And we like peanut butter in this house. So we're gonna spread it. So right to the top. Can everyone show the 1 cup? How it's nice and full right to the top. Can't see it right over here, Jillian. Down, down. There. Yeah, 1 cup right to the top. And we're gonna scoop it out with a spoon.
Or could we try to pat it a little?
Can.
That won't really work.
But like I said, peanut butter is really sticky, and that cooking spray will help, but it still stays in there. But see how the cooking spray let it slide right out versus stick in the cup? Yeah, just let it fall in there.
Okay.
All right, and then we need 3/4 cups of butter, which is 1 whole stick and a 1/2 stick. Because 1 whole stick is 1/2 cup of butter, and a 1/2 stick of butter is 1/4 cup, and together it's 3/4 cups. So Jillian, put that in the bowl, please.
There.
All right, now we're gonna put it in the microwave to melt. And if you already watched our science lesson, you learned about how solids turns into liquids if the temperature goes up and causes the solid to melt into a liquid. And guess what we're doing?
Put it in the microwave.
We're heating it up. And what's gonna happen to our solids?
It's gonna melt it and it's gonna turn into liquid.
Yeah, so guess what? Cooking is science. So we're gonna be able to observe firsthand our solid butter and peanut butter melting into a liquid. It's changing its properties. So we're gonna put it in the microwave. Okay, probably maybe for a minute for start. We'll do shorter times.
Is that it?
Yep, and then start, and then we'll stir it. And we'll check on it.
Ooh, look at this.
Yes, we took it out of the microwave, and now we're stirring up our mixture. Do you see now?
It really is liquid.
Yeah, see, it's no longer a solid butter or peanut butter. It's all liquidy, and we're stirring it up because it's nice and soft.
I can smell the peanut butter. It doesn't smell the best with butter and peanut butter, but peanut butter is good.
Oh, believe me, it'll taste good. All right, you guys stirring up real good? Okay, now.
That actually smells good now.
So now, in the meantime, we actually have to crush some cookies.
Are we gonna do what we did way back when we did it for the Oreos?
Kind of, yes. We can take, you have a tool to help us, and crush them with, actually, you know what, we're going to put this in a Ziploc so they don't fly out. I was thinking maybe just in the bag, but we're, I think it was Ziploc for safety. So we need about 3 cups of vanilla wafers. However, we did not have vanilla wafers, so
We just got Amerigo crackers.
animal crackers, which is fine. You know, they're basically vanilla wafers anyway. It works. So we're gonna put it in a bag, and they need to be crushed. So Jillian's gonna take out her anger on the animal crackers. Poor animals. I'll throw this out. She's doing that. All right, so there is some larger chunks in there yet, but that's okay. So now we're going to pour our mixture into our peanut butter mixture.
Oh, that's a lot.
And we're gonna stir it up.
Ooh, this looks good. It kind of looks like caramel. Mom, look at this. It looks yummy.
All right, you get it stirred really good. So when you have it mixed really good, we're gonna pour it into our bottom of our pan. Bottom of our pan. I'm gonna spray the pan so that doesn't stick, and then we're gonna pour the mixture into our pan.
Whoa.
Here, let me hold it while you scoop. Okay.
Oh, that wants to fly out.
Okay. Yep, we're spread it nice and evenly. There it is. We did number 1. We melted, hold straight.
Ooh.
1, we melted the peanut butter, sugar, and butter. Then we add number 2, we added the crushed cookies and put them in the pan. Now we need to melt the chocolate. We need
chocolate? No one told me about chocolate.
2 cups of chocolate chips. So I'm guessing we have a package that's a little bit open because someone snuck some chocolate chips. They can't see your face, but she looks really guilty. Whoop, and I'm losing it. And we're going to, I'm thinking we need 2 cups, but we're going to measure them just in case, but I think it's about 2 cups we have. So, whoop, all of them are going in there. Hey, stop sneaking them.
They're yummy.
Okay. So pour this into the bowl. Pour it into the bowl.
This one?
Into the bowl, yeah. Okay. And we're gonna pour. So basically, it is, well, we're just shy of 2 cups. So about 1 package is 2 cups. Since we were missing some, that's about 2. So for 1 package of chocolate chips. Then we're gonna put that package in the microwave. And when we melt chocolate, stop eating them. We're gonna put it in the microwave and we're gonna melt it 30 seconds at a time and then stir because we don't want the chocolate to melt. Jillian, you put it in the microwave?
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna do 30 seconds. 3, 0, start. Second.
2, 1.
All right, let's check it. You get a spoon and we're gonna see how.
It definitely needs a little more.
Definitely needs some more.
Yeah.
That melted, but you really just don't want to do chocolate too long because it will, chocolate will burn. So a little bit at a time. So you want to cook it for 30 seconds, then stir. Cook it for 30 seconds, then stir. All right, back in the microwave. For another 30 seconds. 3, 0, start. This is our last check, our last and third check, but I'm thinking it's our last.
Maybe we might need a. Oh. I think this is our last.
Okay, now it's much smoother. So now we can scoop it out and pour it on top of our bars. Let's see if I can position this so I can see it better.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna hold this.
Chocolate.
Pour the chocolate right on. Okay. Now spread it all out.
Yeah.
Cover it.
Now we let it dry again. This looks so good.
Yeah, if you want help with the edges, if the edges are tricky, you can ask your mom and dad. Don't forget. No licking this, even though it's very tempting. I can see Jillian, she was very tempted to lick this spoon, but until we know we're done with it. Because you can't lick something and then put it back in. We talk about that all the time at school too. No licking until we're all done, or if it's your own spoon, because we don't want to share germs with anybody, especially now. When everyone's a little nervous about germs. Okay.
Wash your hands.
And wash your hands. It's very important. All right. So underneath is still pretty soft. So you could have put this in the fridge for a little bit before you melted the chocolate, and it would have been a little stiffer and easier to spread. But it's good. So now you can lick. And I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator. So that it can cool.
Yummy.
And we are going to take a look later. Thumbs up?
Yeah.